Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will see how to make street style vegetable momos and red chutney. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So let's start. First we will make the chutney. So for that I have boiled some water. To this I am adding 7 to 8 red chilies. I am adding 6 to 7 garlic cloves. Then I am adding 2 to 3 big size tomatoes. We will boil this mixture for 5 to 6 minutes or until tomatoes are soft. After about 5 to 6 minutes, our tomatoes are done. Now we will keep this mixture aside to let it cool down. Our chutney mixture is cooled down, so let's grind it. I'm adding the mixture to the mixer grinder jar. Now here I am adding one medium size raw tomato. It's going to add very nice taste to the chutney. Now I am adding some salt, some red chili powder which is half a teaspoon. Now we will grind this mixture into a smooth paste. So your hot and spicy chutney is ready. Now we will prepare the stuffing. For that I am heating a pan, adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Into this I am adding 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. We will saute this until the raw smell of garlic is gone. Garlic is cooked properly. Now I am adding grated carrot, which is 1 cup. Now I am adding 2 cups of chopped cabbage. Give this mixture a good mix and make sure your flame is medium at this time. Now I am adding some salt, adding some red chili powder which is half a teaspoon, adding some black pepper powder which is half a teaspoon. Now mix it well. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now give this mixture a good mix and cook this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. It's been 2 to 3 minutes and our filling is perfectly ready. Now switch off the flame and let this mixture cool down. Let's make the dough for momos now. I've taken 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding some salt which you can add as per your taste. Now mix this mixture well. Now I'm adding water gradually and making a medium soft dough. It should not be very soft or very hard dough. See, it took me 5 to 6 minutes to knead this dough. After kneading the dough, I am applying some oil and then we will cover this and keep the dough aside for 10 minutes. See, after 10 minutes our dough look like this and we will knead the dough again for 2 minutes. Now I'm taking a small portion of dough. Sprinkle some maida on the board and roll it thin like a roti. Now I'm cutting this using a katori. You can take any cutter of your choice. Now I'm adding stuffing to it, which is about 1.5 tablespoon. You can make shape as per your choice. I'm making a simple shape momos which is available in the market. The shape is done and I must say it's looking very cute and I love this part of making momos. Now I have made my own steamer. You can call it as a desi jugaad. I have taken a vessel, I have added some water and placed a dabba on top of this. Now I have placed a chutney. Then I am keeping this cabbage leaves on top of it. Now we will preheat this vessel for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am keeping momos. We will steam momos for 15 minutes on low medium flame. It's been 15 minutes and our momos are perfectly ready. They look good and they taste awesome. Hope you like this recipe. If you liked it, do give the thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such recipes. And don't forget to leave your suggestion or comments in the comment section below. Thank you.